repeat and no rewind. So give your best and your best shot in all your acts as the show goes on and on. Let me repeat. Life is not rehearsal. Each day is a new show. No repeat, no rewind. So give your best shot in all your acts as the show goes on and on. Abrabon yesinitwa. Anase me kwa prepare. Yeti asesi program ayeye no your friend live show. Etimi yam from so a obi abehu aka. But say ye koye recorded program. Mitia yetimi twa free ho. Ne ya toa na aye kama ntu wi abeka sem from so bi anya dey enim. Abrabon enye rehearsal. About 6 obi atiesim. Ye isini no. Ena sini na ye ni so obi light ene ne camera da so. Utia ye ja hoko. Enti enye se enra me rehearsal in life. Ena ne mabo kire mo. Ene na to. Enti ene ba ye rehearsal ra. Just say life is not rehearsal. Every day is a new show. So put up your best as you act. There is no repeat and no rewind. About 6:54. 6:54. Ebin to abrabo mu bio da. Onti ase. Ekira memory da 6:54. Eye Saturday and Friday. And unti say and na ye 6:54. Who say ekira says so do maybe obi to because oh emre na ikono, don't worry, I will make it up to you. You can never make it up to anybody. That time is gone. Life is not a rehearsal. Life is not rehearsal. Each day is a new show. No repeat, no rewind. So give your best shot in all your acts as the show goes on and on. Good morning. Abeja for mo want to say. What was ante boy? And opewa show fufu kama. And a victory is in there coming and Educhum's camp.
Oh, of course. We are doing everything possible to cause surprise.
To pull a surprise.
Yeah, we know we are minus. Say Obian, we say Educhum there, we are man dog chance, but the campaigns have been very, very, very encouraging. I mean, Connect for it to say. My lord, irrespective, today is Friday. I don't want any interjection.
Nobody will interject you.
No, there was a murmuring voice I overheard more than you.
I didn't hear.
And
you are bringing my attention to it.
And then I think the attention must be taken into consideration.
I hear you.
The way I am being heckled, just you only care when
you understand word heckle. Who is heckling you? I'm sitting here, nobody's heckling you.
Oh my, there's a distance between the seat and the heckling.
Which heckling are you talking about?
Make a do chuma pe obese educhum.
I didn't hear.
And we can imagine amongst us who will say that. I mean, I did your campaign. Oh my. Then we come educhum. Sir.
Onya di maye.
Educhum.
How do you try? Okay, government accountability. Yaw Boamah. You cannot be heckling council at the bar. No. It will not be accepted. Government accountability series. The Minister of Justice and Attorney General Dr. Dominic Ayine and the other two just said the office no I a final request for the extradition of Kenufuriata and an alleged accomplice and as dark CM for free US Mra. Now, aside the two just said, Kenufuriata so for a lawyer for winning the power America. So I'm defending the extradition. Yentino.
That is this year. My office received a formal request from the Office of the Special Prosecutor to initiate extradition proceedings for Kenneth Oforiatta and Ernest Darko Akore from the United States of America. Following a preliminary review, our International Cooperation Unit observed that certain aspects of the request require clarification and enhancements to align with the applicable legal and procedural requirements.
Dominic Ayine, doctor, as I did to just say, Yoko, a timiatita, a sophisticated crypto fraud operation beer, a bugana for bear, any abroach for to a tune of about $50 million. And on me, I retrieve Sikano, I digital assets, Sika, crypto, chronoboni, a day, Nasa coins, near day, $50 million, and I involved. Aine.
The crime. The High Court ordered that upon the receipt of the funds, EOCO should cater to the victims of the crime. Through this approach, EOCO successfully used our local laws to freeze and recover virtual assets hidden in foreign jurisdictions. As a result, on November 19, 2025, Zodiac Custody successfully converted the said crypto assets of the criminal enterprise and paid same to EOCO's exhibit account in the amount of $15,191,730 United States of American dollars and 13 cents. As demonstrated above, the criminal enterprise targeted our citizens, defrauded them, and laundered the criminal proceeds into cryptocurrency such as Bitcoin, USDT, and Ethereum in an attempt to further hide the proceeds from the reach of Ghana's law enforcement.
Okay. Nah, ye nimno. Eye oje awowo ya jebia otosomienu. Eso mampani emma naranman trankunya enso mfo mu hunyim na omunkuntia eye illegal mining. Now illegal mining is now a national security threat. Asante. Assembly out here no. You don't comment. No astre.
Involve Nanano in the fight against Galamsey. In fact, we are calling on government to actively involve Nanano in the fight against Galamsey. In fact, Galamsey is now all over the place, all over the country. And if we don't take the necessary steps, we are going to lose out to them. In fact, my fear is even that they are ganging up into armed groups. And if care is not taken, the security forces are going to find it very difficult to flush them out from the forest and from the areas. And if this happens, then just like what is happening by the drug backgrounds in South America, we may have them also challenging security in this country. So we call on government to actively involve the landowners in the fight against Galamsey. Every village, every town, there's a chief. So if we are well resourced, if the regulatory regime is changed and none are involved, I believe that we will also help in the fight against the Galamsey and make sure that our river bodies are clean, we get good drinking water, and our soils are also not impoverished because medical doctors are...
Okay, and also so akoda. Asante asenso boache so de nano atum se what is microphone so oppose you Accra Kumasi Expressway? No serious policy maker will oppose such a move. Asenso boache.
I thank you for your opportunity for me to comment on the report of the committee regarding the concession agreement before Parliament. Mr. Speaker, at the outset, I think it is important to reiterate the point that this side of the House is not against the construction of an Accra Kumasi Expressway. Mr. Speaker, no serious policymaker will oppose the development of a modern expressway linking the two big cities in the country. And Mr. Speaker, if there is anybody in recent times who has spoken passionately about the need to connect our two cities with the highway, it is me. In fact, in my first debate in this house in December, I recounted how United States use the interstate expressways to accelerate their economic development. Honorable Abeja is here. He will underscore that.
Na Habibu na nso akeka asem bi. Deputy Minority Whip. Habibu used to say, I was here sending brackety. Na ye mandatory testing of HIV for both public and private employees. Na eno betimi ama HIV na rise no akofom. Prevalent rate no e pejanimu. The prevalence with which are done when you know. Habibu say, Kayanya ne mra. Ya testi azante boa, testi ejako ni testi Yaw Boamah. Ni testi me. So make am no see who sabi. You see the heckling? You see, Yaw. Somebody is crying wolf. You are heckling the bench. Yente Habib.
See that people, when you listen to what the health service or health Ministry of Health are saying with regards to HIV, it is very rampant now. Many a time when you go to many of the regions, you see that people who are HIV are positive. There is on an increase that many people are now being tested positive on HIV in Ghana than before. And I think that, Mr. Speaker, it should be part of the requirement in every organization in Ghana. If they want to either periodically or if you are to be given a job opportunity, you should be allowed to be tested HIV. It should be part of the health screening so that we'll be able to know. Because, Mr. Speaker, when you are not tested and you know your status, you will not be able to handle or cure.
Okay. Cover the High Court so Atuagu, NDC, parliamentary candidate or Kokona or Dean Chono or Corsair Abrantia, your friend of Frank, a Sedu Bequin, and your Campasso, and no Brashevi Jenny, don't know friend of Protosia, MPP Wabe Mononoy, special aid, the chief of staff, born the chief of Kama. Protosia, Ewan Brashevi Jeffy, and so now. Prince Ado and Tenny was into the Koda, go for the High Court, and court no say, oh, Papa, you way, who it is a way on the TV, no so protozana, ye bono day, powder, so I didn't him. And now I'm a tea and I'm Mr. No, judge, no, I sure say, I'm no dear we. Go say, yeah, Jack, I see a baby, no, as I say, what the Abia to a protozo, and ya. Prince Adam could be MP.
About 2 million.
About 2 million Ghana citizens, brother. I just have been the MP. That's Busaya. It's a Numero. And you ran on Kobu Semuni. I say, one year, BBNC, one from make up protos are judge. No, that's how no, but my friend, almost said, you're ruling now. And coffee, you now walk around. Hey. Oh, so woman grow for control today. On say, Ghana judge for.
The law is the law.
Ghana judge. No, my and my judges lawyers who at all. They said we are brutal. Yeah, with Denny.
Where AI ruling VAR.
Where VAR. VAR do court to. Refugee, they are so hey, Ghana. Oh, you have Israel. Gentlemen, Mamma Kwaba, Yaw Boamah say free.
Abota ya maite fo achi
Kenoforiata
Kenoforiata nko
ono so afa lawyer bawe our challenge the extradition
barakota sa asem na ya attorney general na kan na ma me yam hye me nra
say
bibusa sa dey sebi impredua so ya attorney general no o ye carpenter ni onye lawyer ni ana
ade
because akota se Ghana nyina 30 is a 35
million now.
Not your over thousands of lawyers. Ni behwemu be you say wo na ebe ye aban ne Ghana nyina lawyer asemba wo be ka dia maye
wahwema tentene ne akoso justice
na chese akota wo years of experience na chese udim ukuta PhD tisi obe ka chese papa ne friends Kenufri ata akwa experience lawyers e wo America na
so be so chese emfa
iti akwa no this kan kwa mine na allegedly sana tisi bia
by the statement of the attorney general
no
I so catch say as a coach bia or football match no catch
as on Real Madrid ko bobo
so who share the way
Real Madrid
who share Vinicius now who share
mo
your friend say
Bellingham
now who share Mbappe no ne ade dia match no ye be he
na mo ensuro na o ka say ya o ka say ya e no edio
ayini where guys wakofa experience look at the word he used
experience
you are defeated even going to the court
akota general mami am general say papa semena o ka
say you
no
wako hear the pedigree of those lawyers hello who say
akota ya attorney general kuta PhD o
ya PhD yeah there's a difference between practice and studies.
But Sakuto no so practice
on practices.
Ya attorney general.
Sadie more.
Asa wona akuta wona wo kire ayi your friend say lawyer for ade.
Yaw.
Akuta
yaw ye wa lawyer ni bia. Wa kira de pa. Wodi ni ko gira court. Practice lawyer hija wonya de sato ne.
And ade ni sisi ya.
Na oye my lord. Aso be busa wo. Una chair na de so aso be busa wo no. Also when you do practice, experience comes forth. You avoid a lot of mistakes. It's a case be on ma. Why is it that omo ya akosia say one first case na lawyer for me ka say there was like akusi say no just say yes. Are you getting me? It's practice is different from classroom. Okay? Kisi ajabe. There are certain law addition. Lawyers be catch you say wa ben wo ho.
Yeah.
Prosecution no near bi and so once what
trifanable
there's a difference between practice
and so
what there a lawyer be on ma what crofo there wa be power chira there omo ginidi but odi agro small boy bi dey no be hwe court
me yam say me pa but send your car say still obe pursue no one pursue my yen so hu na se allegedly send your mo keka Kenufri ata sike bi ne ho ahwan ne
papa na Kenufri ata so yaw
ye boni di
enti Isaiah quote nyina nti doesn't he also have morals say
ne ho nto no
why dey ba ahoto say obu oman yesi bebu kunta with the technicalities to America yesi braga na be yiwa no yes oni majuma unsuro de
se me kan be writer ono nko ane Ghana ye former finance minister
ye we wadwane
ase only Ghana ha wana me bo
wadwane na de asi de ya wadwane
tani e be ka no
office wo ho sign wa bra na be gina ho utumi okun me bo osasi be ni mo okun o de no ko mutumi nyare
osasi be odaso de inside
da bi wanyan yamani bill
osasi about 120 crowd but still onyan yo akunta
osasi be da so dem
about 120 ben na po yando said ya yen de bro nyaji so mo totom no ayi di command no na ma na be no
me ba o
yoku fo no ama no
osasi be da so dem
kotai odaso dem
say 500 and say
800 on the about 120
on the
back 10
na kota 10 no cry say nyasem getro
na girl back so man 10 million
meeting condition
yeah man 10 million we meet go coffee
your friend say
Owari
yeah
120 million and no so the betches so says be woye
I mean
odidi mo bi di
ya adofo
iti akoto osasi be ni oni adofo
ya onya adofo se wodidi mo bi di ya okwa wo ye hia me oba besrawo once at times you bet mama position na nko awa men to nko didi a nko twa auto
yeah akota me de
osasi be da so dem watch 2 months o
obedi
na dia ye de
Ponyando se dia ye ayi so moto mo ne sadi aha da no mo court ne ni akontena kuku amode atoso the last court osasibe no mde ne tina kemu
ka ye di ni wura mu ni
osasibe no mde ne ko nti ye besere ayi no akota no ekumasi meyo
deputy minister Kumasi Mayor, Ashanti Region, Director of National Sports Authority, National Service Authority.
Former Kumasi Mayor.
The impact of Kumasi Mayor, no, yeah, extraordinary to the point I was saying Kumasi for Kobuana. That's a question I'm asking. And you'll be asking, so be I be any probably a Yaw. Ye kase nipa mro. Ye will be on my mbetwe omkon. Omuhu no say mumro. You will also mbetwe omkon say.
Onfa no nko. Oyi nani.
It was as be there na nipa mro anan.
Awota dem di wie yi Ken honorable Kennedy Japan o Kumasi. O Ashanti region.
Oba Nra.
Oba yes, o start Nra. O start Nra me hu say and now se minim so obekwa figase asokore constituency ne other constituencies but the campaign team no at the statement bi ababonte about enkomo bi a eno akra na me ne wutie bi e ma ye very worried pa Alex Tete
that gentleman Yaw let me know he's a fool
yakunta tubu no obodua wu
obodua tiamame
there is ohun video no
Yaw me
or the aponchene snap.
Yaw, how can you in another way describe Ajosafo as any winyan? Ayaw
entweye.
Obodia. On try say onwua. On kobodia he se dua no nya no a.
Obo your friend say mine no attachia. Obo attachia dua ne wan.
Obo bi adua.
Mame mo no abo Ken team na baso say quickly omode statement aba say but abrantie owura no mo nim ni
ba can you be more Catholic than the Pope?
Oh David.
Can you be more cry more than the bereaved?
Yes.
Can the Japan now no near ababa wano awo mamino
mo
or say oni asem bi aka woni Ajosafo aka no na embe distracting no we also document the Japan so say one list Ajosafo a member omo MPP mo omo ni na dan nyina oni omo da na ho
na ugina ho bunkuma na se ni
me ni Ajosafo a ben kasa no omo na ba court no ba be yi na no we nya anu bia Ajosafo akasa ayekra no so o catch Canada Japan o kan ba ko se o say odidi matem efri o de kasa nyina no e be boa Canada kra say
Japan
ani pass Canada obi a on pet family and friends dia o ye ni papa enti papa ni wu ye no oba me position
enti o me so enam for some ne we ye me bana we ye na we me former de ne
o me bo media me bo media
wo brunua nu ahwe wakoto jampa wo tie dua
enti asem na o kan ye no
ene snap
ana mesra ye media for so ya ye takra wo jem the lady who was interviewing her Nana ya brefo. The guy was on your show continuously saying who nyai only we akoda. Can't you cut him off? You allowed this guy to insult Ajosafo to the end. What did Nana ya brefo gain in this or trendy? Ananwa abrante bu abroche didi watam ne nyina yenye happy.
Yeah.
Nipa num bi de enema bi a wo abrabom nobody was happy. People spoke against it. Then young Kuba why am I saying Jenny Pay? Penny be na wo
Unia Kuma
no na ye dinner time say na e dey be how the men call we yes now we takra wo jim everybody saw say in another breath I say can you be kanako ada sa media no ye say
David
ayakodu pempe so a bema o che mema omne nata and you are saying it onire
Mine
Alexander no ni yire
o say ni age ni se ni tete do
be to wo yire wo man ti wo trans ya na odwene sa say we wa attach I don't know about attach edua because attach so ka bibia ma na hye no pa mo a
attach ya ken de no ken nkomo ya na attach ya susu ko yi ano say Kennedy eno kra no akwasi kwatin be kirem Kennedy unse Kennedy ko interview yenuanom UTV ho na okoka se oboa attach ya o se Keti Yamon
e ma na attach ya se oji hwimfiri
na attach ya se enyo onye hwimfiri no nti that show me kai se kwasi kwatin called and now ochirem say oh there be enya attach ya na emom eye is it Keti Yamon say it for say me right
Keti Yamon so glad na the body ne ken
mo say Keti Yamon the body pa ye and na nkomo no kokosi ho no munti no na Alexander so be kire say ai na asem na attach ye deny say onhia Kennedy wo Heathrow airport eni ni Akufo-Addo ho nkomo eni di Akufo-Addo atem dia eni na
abodidua
nti nkomo no dede ni ho anwane ateni odi adwo asafo atem ni adede na no pay last night honorable Ken
but you mo paper no so
statement dia ba say owura no enye part of them.
The campaign team of Honorable Ken Japan has taken note of a viral video involving an individual, Alex Sete, in which he made derogatory remarks against certain members. The campaign wishes to state unequivocally that Mr. Tete is not an official member, representative or spokesperson of the campaign. As such, any statement or conduct attributed to him are strictly personal and do not reflect the values, principles, and positions of the campaign of our candidate. While we acknowledge the enthusiasm of supporters, the campaign does not condone insult, threats, or any conduct that undermine decency and respectful public. Nyamianim ni yaw, yen kano kreso se candidate Japan. Nebi nipa bi nim nimfie be mienu achi ni ade wasesa. Canada Japan ka bibi say adwasafo yi nke bi obso bet obeyina no pa
na adam no media for na wo na every onukra kan say minim say camera say sisi ase nyina mo twen say meka bibi na meka kire mo say menka hwe
sanasa
gawe
azate
o my akota ewiase studio so obi aso nya na bronye kakra.
Oh my Attorney General no. Oh my Honorable Dominic Akrutia Ayini sana so movement. Oh my Akrotenga Atini. Oh my me nsem bi o kanon I say me hamen kakra. Meet Governor Accountability Service I say one. I think say Attorney General in particular sometimes when you come out to give us your arsenals and my opponent in the crowd no so and for me I think say or no in particular and I said in some way here pa no on kind because when you say me say beg can for that they find a high political class case you will come see here high court or and some say na wo bia abosome afieti me ebu am ye say akase ya na say obi asema ko di court be say ni wonya lawyer ni kra ma ne nkoka. And I say court no crime free. Ubo corner ye ni say sa. I'm for feeling very I mean
better.
Dismayed and better about some of them say court. Minim sir at I said take bi obo corner lawyer ni ana.
David.
Onye lawyer.
I said say so ye.
Car dealers. So who say lawyer ni body dia na say afraid I say. Because a lawyer need body that means legal system na nkasa.
Yeah, man go say my lawyer need dia body. Lawyer need na who body dia say na sa.
It may come because
said that lawyer need dia o mete.
Chief Justice Cross say no secret e ka bia bo. Oh yes, because we can see the bitterness in her. What na say ma kwa do AU. Akoko what? Fail. For her, she never got justice.
But then they be Nintendo and we are born in them. What
I say, you know, Emrano Mayenya, but mine, a friend time seminal. Dear, me who to make a crime, a friend that's on American. Almost in a year,
you know, Ebsa near maybe man.
You know, when yes, citizenship from Sanemano. And on the man, afraid their major to me says, sir, Obi okuta dual citizenship, Obi Ghana minister, yen free. fa so bie ni so because be di boni wi a obako tani krom ho na ya bre enti sa de ne de ni kwase parliament in any way because je ofrata ye no obi be minister whichever
adwane ko
okowi anu no obeda ko fanaba because America ni ofrata ko America ni kra look at how when you high class legal team are protected
on the year American
enti no sande de man nka wonye wo bia akuta dual citizenship MPM ma woni ye ma wonye minister na mo man no man nko because okota Canada
we can buy ego so to go to me for baby
what I said benefit them because
for that ya almost say ya dey prostate
so almost say
prostate then go
almost ntimi nyun so
abo ma
oh say nya akuta prostate nya ujun so twa
ya bi nya no
a
so obeti manya prostate large
prostate
ya te say our prostate issues
so for prostate operation surgery ni ade
so aye we will recover
it is otimi nyun so
paper chow the yiri wo ho ya no bisa
ya
time
me point in the say ofoyata na amanfo bi so point ni say papa abrantie ye fe na butreke nanka it was a good deal for Ghana to swap ofoyata for yentimi
papa atene so no ka say
no say emra enye because America for what to me as ometi ma buy ememu ha buy ni say to me say beti ma bawro o manimu say ka butreke so pele ya Ghana amanka yesisi America for kwan mo fa so de me kan say e be fa abante na ko but Ghana man ye ni say to me ni say abutreka e be pele ya senke so betimi akopele say ma abutreka nanka ya ta na chi say ye ma no enko nanka ye delay but America for bufu ye omo ba ya atoni je na ho pugigigi okofa na ba ne ko ye ada na omo so ho mpomfo frata mre asam no say mo hwese na be onya asam ne kan wonya asam ne kan wonya asam ne kan em
yes o ma chi obi office
I know your football administrator bi
yes o mo chiche grofo pa o
enye boat
pascal why football administrator
say anu ni ma de
academy me boa
ya we say anu ni ma de Ghana for be fee say foreign affairs communication AG o ma sell Ghana boys no out to have favor with Donald Trump
na ko tana ye dey ne omo ma ye dey
butie me say our boys no wo mu frodo ra no omo dey abey invest from CCC adan no omo dey wingers
akoto mu investment ye magana ye fe boy ye obebie backpack academy wo office akontan kwala osesa wo ma no omo maduane di bi academy o de bi
course na so to be mokro no so sa me
akota akrofu ya bese ye go du kwa na nyame ya tom ne ye kakra akoto mu nya ne enwi abrofo no na ye dey
aja ko wa ma mechi
akoto mu die sika
ya be teja akure
boss pedas ya repay
ya time no grant ako o ma fa time ni nyina fi o
ma menchi ya tifo ne no mo asia no pay na kenofo ya tare nsensemi na maybe some who say you sign a year extradition treaty from 1931 and from 1935 over 100 Ghanaians and they extradite your media free Ghana hanum your mako outside nipa do saying you to me akwa for more free US and UK dia baha say omo di Ghana boni omo di Ghana sika. It's a big question we have to ask ourselves now because abutreka mo ebe form no individual bi na dupi omo ye scam omo di omo sika
the American citizens
and America for ne omo abefa omo akọ Keno Foriata Ghana no wadi ewu Ghana no wadi sika how come say yen to me ne America enin komo
so omo puti in ye we dey be free man
abutreka dey no edi na say no mbefa no
so we no
we form na nu yi aro edi na say no mbefa mo adentina ye to me sell ye ho out easily sir edi Keno Foriata wadi o man na wu ye ni course ye ni allegedly ye ni base bia ye betumi di akere US for say o man no wadi awu wadi abro pa o man na no wo say no anu nti we ye hia no ti ye ntumi nya reason bia mfa nyina so nkofa Ken ma ana Ken oso chen Ghana nyina enti Ghana mrado mra bia ni bebia my ho kwan say so obi di ye bonisi ya yetumi kokofa no free outside then we should stop signing this treaty Sa extradition treaty ni enjoy see as inside because yenya so mfa so wo mem ha bonia na ekoswa e no mu din omu wi a said na mtena damakru ya wie ni case da still out so she ho
so no ono ne party wo power omu ko fa na be ye
die bentia
said na damakru enne attorney general pese wo ba ono kwa de di na sem ye de ne be ba ntenten na de wo Ghana ha kra ye di wo court kwa se no le press kwa na ti otiabrochi Ghana ye di asem a omo ma bie defense court no di asem aduru ba bi no attorney general say wonye interested NDC form akomako ekobe 12 ye twa omo case him na de ye di wi otiabrochi
say individual be
that is Ghana for you
e outsider you to me ba be funny pa no free her. But say individual do be a nation. I know the unique cost to go and then pick the person.
Aya ko yana ne homra na Orlando. Na is a football so say abefobi.
Yeah.
Okay. To ono no ate academy e adwuma pa.
Yes.
Yes.
The Sompa so ba.
We say bibia will come to a standstill. Let's
abrofi.
Wow, no ya feel 23 me. Oh wait dear, it's from me koye ne pe. Afe, say na ya da ye ho di wo beja bia ase. Hey sister, why ya di ankasa? Oh, me da ase. Wo pe enkamfo. Ejine mu ana e dance wo e dom nyina mu a. Ma wonsanka Obasima 2X foforo a free darling Obasima 2X mienu beso etri biara wo pese woye ma weni nche etri style biara wo beye how did darling Obasima 2X ebeka ho oba she would sue.
Hi, this is Super right here. Shout out to my festival. I'm having life and
it will be held on the 2nd, 3rd, and 4th of January 2026. The time starts at 9 a.m. each day.
Get ready to be amazed because the program is going to feature a diverse lineup of talented artists like Amado, Family, and cultural display, live band, and kids zone. Guess what? It's free. People are there is not just coming to perform for you, but going.
Perfect Sonye. Yes, someone no pay 50 Samre kosi se no nkono no bebo apemu ye be sorry ama sports team na ba be sumu no esi nkunyana ye di nkomo kakra so hwe da no a e de ewurabro nyanimu a no so hwe de ewie ma ye ene se ne weda ne si akoye ena se ohia obia ase se ne hwene ensi a wo bo ne hwene ana oye yi ne hwene mu so ne nsu na chese code no ne changes na ba weather ni mu no so hu ena amana akobasa eno ka bibi kire yen se yewura ye afe no awie ye ene yewura bro nyanim na mehu se amanfo 824 de fa ne ma wose ye de efa ya pom de ne ho ene ye niema bi a wose ye nketenkete ade ni ma dry kakra mfoma ni ma dry kakra dry sa no a niema pi ohono mu a wose wo ye ene de ensesa wo ye de wose ototo ni ye wo fie ene sa niema ni nyina no ye behwe ne ye di nkomo na ye wra nya ne mu soso no wa wani tua se bronya de ba sa no a he wo na so ho kire wo se de ya wo se ye wi akokɔ so ewi akokɔ ofie ho wona bohia do no kra no a ede ya afe no ye hunu se wi bronya ne kra to nkyene a ya ye ho no ano ye hunu se Nyankopɔn de yen so ho afefoforo ene ye kwa koremu afe no akwa pro aba betu yen nti ase o se ye special aduane na wo be bronya aduane wa bra akokɔ nsu ana wo no na je se efie ho no no ya nya aduane ehom se bia other days we akokɔ nam ne ade but bronya ne de no ye special B comes with BB so hu sa nam no kra na akokɔ nam no kra na de bi brusu bia odweno a on se da ntia se anopei sebi ye bedi mo asem so hu nkomo kakra so hu na ya hwese ne bronya yi ye nkokɔ ho asem ne besi akwa afa ye benya biawe ye benya kosua di ene sa eniema ne nyina na yedi hunkomo anope metinam the second session metinam dia mama konto man hene ya wadu boache medin edi na Yaw Boamah libia boga eja kote ha asante ebo wa ha yebedi enkomo na mame enkwa oma no so na mene lawyer Kobi Amoa eni enkomo samba ka ya anopa no ne yedi enkomo edi afa orabia ye friend no eye Alex Tete wakeka nsem bi social media no so ne ade de a trendy a manfo di nkomo a ni papi no a comments no ne ade a wo ho a ni papi eni nye kwan owura no fa so ka ne nsem no ni papi fi se wo ye a member of Honorable Kennedy Japan campaign team no na enra na jo ade achi anopai no ene akwa ko hu krata bi e ba bonte a kire se owura no eni twaka bia Honorable Kennedy Japan campaign ene na probomu na ye ne lawyer Kobi Amoa ni nkomo no so part of Honorable Kennedy Japan campaign team no in fact we one of the spokespersons of Honorable Kennedy Japan. Lawyer, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Lawyer Pacho, good morning. No, now where?
Na want to make a
Radio Dom, yes, so you ye te on kapa, mi gidi sa wote menka ye. Mo. Lawyer na ora Alex Tete no, oye hwan ewo Honorable Kennedy Japan campaign mu, oye hwan.
I mean today we can the campaign there, oye campaign there are so many layers. Yeah, or more campaign team na senior that power mo say mo na mo be members of the campaign team wa yes customer campaign what you said and they mo here obi amana customer campaign my friend and yeah wo almost so a we are not officially on campaign ho and for local campaign manager it is odo and if a power wo ma candidate no eyale was free na obo hokra na we are said you nyamma no pushing campaign no kra no ho aheke ahofika ene nyomo be ya abo campaign no e na e was free oral sete I think yes campaign as you be a watch right from the beginning say or support Honorable Kennedy na watch so odo papa no na nyama be ho a o tun say no ono even though officially on country no ono etimi kwatina radio so and now their social media no na or kasama or kasa to support Honorable Kennedy. But say it's a campaign team man kasa ye said I meet na ye said that power ye say ye na ye jinem I have a campaign there no clean on kahun. But me so jam fi dey so kasa say there ni na me training ka na me need to support Honorable Kennedy.
Na ense bia wa be keka dia fa Honorable Sarah Adwoasafo ho ene empo enra na jokra bi kra kire se social media no so de wo de apete so nyina se obodua bi ni ade sansem no mate na mate ade asem na mo kade afa ho
Participating in
hello lawyer
hello
lawyer mbacho e breaki kakra ntinka position hu ye kakra bi ma ye ne a na me enkomo na ye de hello oh there be lawyer tiatum ti yesamo monsan hwe na yenya lawyer biu na ye musa no ye ne nkomo about ura ne nsemo kan ye ne omo ayena ye ntwaso mfemfiri ha sei ai ye ntwaso mfemfiri ha sei na ma memfa ntudwa se the interior ministry ene national security de krata ababonten kire se ye okọ Nalerigu ewo north east regional womo e de curfew ato eye kru no so omo de curfew ato kru no so na the minister of interior honorable Mohammed Muntaka on the advice of the National Security Council and by executive instrument has imposed curfew on Nalerigu township and its environs in the northeast region from 5 p.m. to 6 a.m. effective Thursday, December 18th, 2025. Now here's a Thursday 18th December and ASR curfew we eshase. Na yemfa en so say the IGP, the Inspector General of Police, IGP Christian Tete Yonu because the COP, yes, IGP Christian Tete Yohonu, so a deploy a more men. Maming San Konamine lawyer any encomono. Lawyer Akwa Bium. Hello, lawyer. Oh, I saw dropping. Into IGP Ade Akye Abia let's say for me fan to him say bokun nsem ya ene emobeka ya yewura ko mampani John Dramani mama ho na ansa na obeko no bokun nsem ya na eja mpanimfo atwetwe na sere ne abasa ntimi na omde bedan yewura se yewura santehene otumfo se titu otoso mienu se oma nadama onsom na sene oye dagbonde kan ye ma asumdue ba ye no o ma ya amanyofo na ya nyeye amu fi se yewura enna obetima ya ma na ye ahwa ma asumdue ababoko ne mpotam mo tonsa e de fra afane afa nyina mampusifo koi kusasifo koi yewura nim ba yewura nim o kuma se menhia himfie e be kan o mo nsam e mo ne o nyina ahia e ma de wo so mu ka bia kan e ma o de report no ekoto mampani anim na report no koto dwaro me ka ye nra na yiri de krata ababonten se one yewura santehene eye adwene a enye na onye report no soso no entum emo no soso de ni statement ababonten na de ekotete ye ne se yese na yiri na hemfu no mu baako emrante ne mabaawa ewo kromo no mo suspect se ase so wakoje bribes ase one yewura santehene rip oni yewura santehene ya adwene aban ne ya adwene ma ase ne nkoma odidie nyina no ase onyina na yiri afa ase one yewura santehene mumu ya adwene se ebra so se ye hwema asumbi asam ne ye de to ba bi eda na asumdie eba e wo boko na de ahenie ne sefata no ye mfa man na asumdie emra eno ne ye se mrante binom ekotweja ede to ne fie e wo eye na Nalerigu abonten so a abusiafo ne je se de na ebobo ba no na eni enyan nti IGP deploy armored police vehicles and armed policemen nyantiantia u kutukutu say bam so omonko na omonko hwese asumdwe ebeba e oboko ene Nalerigu ne mpotamu na mamensa nko amano so na mene lawyer enko to aso lawyer Akye Abia
Imidamase na network ni kesi
yes
so see how can say mene onabo na atoshi na ma flower campaign den
okay enti Honorable Natoshi Namaflawo and Honorable Ken so abeka ho Kumasi. Yes, yeah. Na me busa say adwo asafo nsɛm a Alex Tete ka de fa no hu ene Alex Tete nsɛm a wo keken Mwatibi na Mwatibi ade asɛm na mo ka de afa ho ene statement yi nyina
your reaction ye ti Mr. Alex Tete nsɛm na kan no ene Honorable Kennedy ne principles ne tiase ne kwan oyɛ ne politics no ebrebra na as a team no Honorable Kennedy say Amada show leadership na yen distance from your man no in terms of nititi no and America no Alex say yes or you'll be or Honorable Kennedy or support Honorable Kennedy but sometimes obo support or be because on campaign team proper one a meeting any strategy no and maybe instructions be on how to go about things in line with the candidates no so those you know pen in your man no aha na e bia ni na akọ it is a BBC here it becomes an opportunity almost Sunday be from near to for say o you say person obo papa na mom but person obo papa na dia e so ye nyoma e wo akwan papa no ne boju so nti sa na kokko bobi aba e na ye say release ya aba automobil hu say ye as a team there yeah and also sa nyoma no na ye sa bo omo support ye kokko say o ye campaign on Honorable Kennedy ye jobia if we say Ghana fo nyina akra no hwe poll amomo ye no akra no e chi say Ghana fo nyina frɛ Kennedy it will be a bit my campaign amano nemum e say o ya o hwe Ghana mra o hwe party no so emra o hwe Ghana ye society ye culture any ye ne bi ne nyoma e say Ghana fo ye and ultimately candidates na no the sooner the buy ne nyoma ofo aso no de ofo aso and yes all hwe e de bo ano ye campaign nti em say the ebeka ho no na we nyina no I think say it has shown say Honorable Kennedy we a true leader okay yes a campaign as this is not the first time we be of this light so obi akogina ba bi di panyin bi atem aye na wabasa a happen and so baby o ho a isi o ho a na response a baby o ho isi o ho a response a yenya ne so ye de enye papa na kan ana say enfi en say dem fa ho wan say papa na kan ne de enye no ade papa no so bi enum by eating there it's me and demonstrate say you will leadership say we be ekona engineer as a team you come out to show now the campaign team itself so will show say we be nkoso yi na wow we involved so you be fair na ya correct
na lawyer obisu beka say statement here amodia bay ene nsem amo kadefa Alex Tete hu se ne wokra wagya tum se odo Honorable Kenny emu na be munyi ni man mum ase mum mepo no emu na be mu
yam to no say na make say first of all no ye be frɛ on enye bibia na make radio so ye be frɛ wa babo kokko so oh ye hu so support papa yi but no me bi wo hɔ so ye no kwan so a ye den etime so papa no gina homa principles so and Honorable no so a very disciplined person. The fact that all presidents in chair say 7 previous so when I with me and done on the company. Now when your president and I said be all contest can or your friend no say we the mapping so we men peniswa. Now be man paying ben obey. Not just a man paying a sabe be a course obey Johana. It's a ma address for Bekan and say it's the kind of leader Honorable Kennedy. Or say Honorable Kennedy no on your family and friends on sons and phones so now oba or share the student the buyer all man the position it was Honorable Kennedy on phone send ne mama me no on be ma post ma on phone partner about 2 years e ma fan be TikTok ni ade na o man no adwuma na ye dey ahye on no na ye sofa e bia ba bi wo kwa obi nim say ho de okwa leader na panyin no wo ho no say akokoduro kro betime nya dia ka se okwa onya akodu benya de atena okra onya nti sam na ye bi a ewo ho na enti mane nkyerese oye panyin obetime di man panyin no ya na hard but Honorable Kennedy there we are in him no pimpin ese pin okay and not bet the a share of betme we ye ne ba we ye ne campaign member we ye president na ye minister we are there actually obetino.
Yeah.
Discipline is very much. Yes, Christo Christ said, Bible, or sorry for Boamah for means okay. If we say not open discipline, open
No correct. No correct.
So that kind of leadership, no, it didn't mean demonstrate here, but Honorable Kennedy did. Yeah, I did a thing, and they were okay and say, Mamma, what's going on with that go? More, more, Pwami. So we are there, and yeah, and there ends now. The Kayana, maybe a Hobana, or you need now one thing now, or better right now. Same interview me say, Sebio, maybe not my your Maquia, in line with his principles are. And said 5 minutes now, not when we say, Honorable Kennedy, number of FB, say, Cabana. The smart about joining the campaign, my smart say, okay, can say, who be out pay.
Mate.
So they say, Bisa and Nagana, here, 7 penny, no more minor question. Am I disciplining him to do? So be I or penny, I can't him or my young queen.
Yo, that's it. That's no pay be any so ye besa so afro na ya bopunu nyame nhyira wo ye da sepa yo observanti we lawyer Kobi Amuani ne na kwakodi enkomoi oye a member of Honorable Kennedy Akompreko Japan campaign one of the spokespersons of Honorable Kennedy Japan na ma mfa ntuma nim so Honorable Kennedy Japan ewu Kumase menka so Kumase krase Kumase o Ashanti region wa share Ashanti region to ase ema enra Asante se mampone ne mpotemu hono mo no koye ho enra na mampon ene ne mpotemu hono mo ene ofa he ene mate se afigase wum okay nti kwa man kumawu afigase asokore dwaben ya joso okay so far yambo so kakra anope ma memfa ntuma nim se yera Dr. Boris Bedi so no ebeba besra ya anope ewo efie ha nkokɔ hene nkokɔ hene
nkokɔ nyina awura
yes nkokɔ aja no pia ha ono klase kakra no oya bagaza meka na mekaze yesia ne baba ko na mse mu wachire se nkokɔ mu via mpa That's why Jesus go mu fiampa. Mu fie na go nyina wo.
Yeah, anope no Kenya Pon team no my idea. This is a clear case of say we leader. Sebe enyama nko ya utimi se kire wa no ka. Emfa won say we be ka se bia obesumu abontin na wokosiri wo fie no nyina we are demonstrating everything here and a transmu kama. Omo nkoso nye we are never sanity prevailing na abomo man no akoso sebe omampanyi ma say amanfo ka say waka chene appointee say wow be engage yourself into corruption bia na be you ama and say can so timi bibi say na e che say we demonstrate good leadership quality ya no pay dia no pa no na mo ye ka assemble akubi as no no time ntimi anwurum kakra onabo Habibu kan say bi efa HIV die no ho ya Mijiri say asem na okan no in an adu society there nkan say sa na nka yeyo senka obia beko na nka wakɔhwe wapom dim especially HIV status no ba ya wo man mu hasen mu ade bia mafo aka especially stigma wo kwakɔ HIV status yawo e woduma panyi betima keep information no abamu mpanifo betima keep no secret yen waka nchire obi wo no wakwakɔ ya wia no say wo ye negative anasa ye positive no ebetima tena ho ade bechi no nenenam no bi ati say asumasi ko HIV test no we positive then again yes private nyina nya bi ankrankra adwumam no wakwakɔ HIV test deba beto abontene enti eno die na Ghana haso kwa ya emra no so kyerɛ sɛ wumpo wo no yere na sɛ wuwo bia enya bafo so ka kyerɛ wo yire o bafo so me ka kyerɛ dabi doctor for na mu keep information no
nti me fa me sa me yere
na sɛ ebi anya bi de asa o moye no sa de sa manfo a ono ne private decision nti ono ma abonten sɛ mo nka kyerɛ obi a wuntimi nka because processes are yede AC team ka kyerɛ obi no you go through counseling a whole lot yen ka say bia e wo mu say odidi boni ntinye fiti ya say ye be ka kire wo busuafo say wonya HIV because nya bia bia aware na beti magu a whole lot but no ade ba ko a eka obi a se HIV no se o de kwato japa ya no hu sunsanso no so se nke nya beti ma hye won so aboye ho ban de aya nkeye but means na samo ka no de e be din se beti ma agya tumba ya Ghana AIDS service Ghana HIV AIDS commission HIV is cost ya China for it me no as they say HIV AIDS patient mo de ma wo mo nom
yenko bi mra
yenko bi emra wo mo na yenko bi free obi yare hepatitis bi a emene dro nom ema ne nko do HIV enya bi fa no
ye se o mo ankoto ma
baby yaw say o man no boa
wo kofa yare no
okofa ne hen
wakofa yare bo kama
okofa ne se ba ye no ya man na makanye
ti ye bo ka wie na o man ye wie no a se ukote wade a wana ukoto wadu
o da bi na me kan se
ya bo baby a ya ba be dro no masa se onya sika enkoto dro no masa po ba bi tina na ukodi feelings na ukofa yare ne betu ya
enye ni
se gono nyina mo pe mo ko kran wadu
na se ya mo hunu oba HIV
na ba ntom ye nom
China for instance o matimi aye nuro amafo no maniko
asante we
engine yaw na o ti o
China ho ne koto ade no
Ghana ni person e be bank China it should be governance
ye ni China for na ma ye de plus ni manos tutu o mu din ya o mu kofa bi ma me enom asante
o mu kofa bi mra na o fudi na e say aban ni China
we nya
collaboration we kofa ni kasa HIV is
wo Asia
Ghana is commission
store e bi o ho
koto no Ghana is commission every year bi amodo mbaje koma aban
ya so AIDS commission
what yes and says Canada ma no kefa nko to no be go man for nto nyanko modjuma na kura ma we ye
because Ghana is so
on ba ye hungura ma for sa so say yes wan
sika ye twade ma wo mu ade anim asem de ya ne sem boto condom so boys nse ijeni ne sika ne ye de ma mo no ade ne emfa nko ye to aduro ne ten ne ye de abrandi pattern no ma no ho ato mo na the following month no ye say nya ten ya kwa akoto aba ne de kra ye toto ane ye
nti o say ye toto no no mo
dan say ye de be ma AIDS commission si ye wo ase ye so yare no se ye hoahoa no yare ne ya te ho commission no ti ba bi ene ya fa workers yafa workers eno mu didi ho
o le bi so omo
asante ade AIDS commission mo ye de
omo bo HIV omo ni PPAG
PPAG no
omo bo
oti omo asante
private me kan say ya bo amati
ase ye hoahoa yare no ene ye nkoti malaria commission efiri na ko Ghana ye nyintum yente malaria commission yente diabetes commission yente yi cholera commission oh say eja koni me nyaade
benefit HIV benefit
no na yare ye hu bida but say aba ya na me shakete na meti SEO ya die kodi ewuo ya die kodi ehuo ya die di besi ne ade asade ya die ba ko ya ho no ade
ya ho no
sebo ya mo say wa na is
na ase ya mama is ya popular didi wa hete
ni yema di sikadie ya fa nipa bi te dem say ya te commission ye tua wo muka ye wo ho executive director ya tola nkrusa masa
regional AIDS commission
and no regional directors district directors
afibia no mo the report ba
ade report
ama ye hu
HIV numbers no kra no asante ti Ghana 30
numbers ahead then
Ghana 35 million meboa ene yesi se nipa wo bi yesen nye 70 something thousand
be 160 something thousand
160 something thousand ye nu 1 million
now why na go count you 1 million
asante ajakwe anim
why na go count you 1 million o say you why
because 100,000
165,000 as of last I know more
asante
esa
yem 160 esa na sesa ni 35 million
nemu
emu say 100,000
160,000
asante
and you man be nya HIV
omuni yamane nye mane moso
who your host
and them your host
yeah we say
yes
we say ya there is no still ada so you hu sana
ya go na me dia sate e boase
simple question am bisa still ada so you
hu kaka
ehu kaka
adi mo yesama
me nim the basis honorable Aruna digina so de kan nsem no Habib me nim the basis o gina so de kan nsem no say see before be adwuma yenye no test na yehu so we is now oni is na asefo I don't get it. I don't get it.
I don't get it.
Ka before adwuma.
I don't get it.
Na me tie me ni bi because me yire awo en wo no o test me yire
another form
me yire wo no o test na bi ni wo me yire wo no o test oni bi itimi so
na wo so
am so me ni bi
me simple question ke now
o yire wo no wa test
now me say ya me come asem
okay Eda betrasi ya mebusa no say Eda wifi ko we o ye test o bibia ni ho eti ebema de ye safe ye yire no ko wi a bibia ye okay bema de wi ya say o test
o de aja ko de pacho kasa why kasa so e host we o ma hin de bia kan
me bo have come say I harmless question na me bisa is it a way to deny amount for ejuma na say you who say wo HIV is ya catch you say ejuma we you are not qualified to do it is it because say you who say the unemployment population no was soro and
ya di be free mama
criteria ya ba be ya if not
I don't dey menya sure say criteria because say no kra na be ma unemployment akosoro was nipa no obi no ye adwuma automatically was ye yi na di me
yes say ebi adwuma ni ho ya utie me ya utie me ebi adwuma
odi ane kra ngie ni
ebi adwuma ni
tebu kra so man kan ni so
the demand for adwuma so e wosoro nti ye pekwan bi so adwuma ni ho nti no oba na wo HIV sa ne abo gala we di watana baby because what is ana a question that be so men cast say na sente sadia what is the essence of that statement no they say yema we nko check ni ehwe so o is ana oni is na nasefo however me say bisa say yade no say ewu sa na because what I know they say yes say na so wo for is cra e betumi amba na dura obeno no mu a obesa tumi breastfeed akoda no
akoda ne da yefunu mu kra no wonya bi
so if sa enkomo yi wa bonte yenim ne etiase a what is the essence of your testing
ye mane maji mane mozo
yeah
the young ones are growing up.
The
beautiful ones are coming.
Because me dey no kwasem say me say statement.
E ja come so kra me say yengu Ghana is commissioner.
Me kasi yengu no but me dey me feel say ni kwan say ye hwa yare ne sa.
Me hwa na be do man adwuma
ye.
Senka be ya
pe police for omunko apply. Cotton forms omunko.
E be ya yaw
no munko ere.
No mo kwa adwuma ho so mo pa adwuma ye na santi se ne wuke se China ne ye wiase advance ama ye China for no ye nuro betima cure alleged like
and that is the one the report number
now the question the other na sika ne ye dey ma ace commission
ye fanko first duro dem ra
na mo dey akototo condom no na se duro da ha se ye no ma ye wo beto ya ye be hwa sa de no so ye
edi abibiban kwa na ace wana
ai
adentina asa yade no ya tin so amana gibiza eti ye ni nuane ayimu oh chale immune booster wudi e betumi ama
oh eja ko me no ya mama me ne elder
won dey criteria dey be den Rebecca
I think say bi asa no I think say sa dey
go so be you
Bidiri ese bi asa no be so be o dey criteria no mo dina am
for pa work up way ye ko visa interview se ko ye ace test bra
na say one na over the krum
me ba krum say
and o say eno ne nyema o di si akwan ana say o dey go akwan
o say no nko ade a me ba meto ayi omum yenko mazi omum bodade ayi dade drones ne dade bodama ne de credo atutum
wan
ene say me ba mitimi mie ena ma ye bibi me be hey ball no me come baby
na wo ayi ye de credo atutum a on va bomb blast no
me de bomb boso me de bomb boso azafo ye konomu su papa so na ye ntose me de bia me catch ro say kanje ne nsuo no eye nipadua no mu zoom lion so te ase nipadua no mu zoom lion a eye no me si du banku di wa betie du fufuo du bibia wo bedie bia wo di wia na wia wabo eye kanje na gu so boys no kura du ba bi o mo sian ene wo say ja tesionko anante kodi fufuo na ejaje so ba se ne ade o de wie ni nyina di fufuo ni nyina wia bo kanje ngu so eno anu no adam a chen
yo ye ja
na busiafo ho ye
bia ho ye yeso adom
ye de rade ase ye de rade ase ano pay me entie we
ano pay nso ye pese ye chia ahwefo en
afisia paso so
afin kometo ye afisi se ne da so e wa pomuden papa mu kremu twetwe
amen amen
ne nyina ejina nso pa obenom na afaduane pa obedie enti Christmas no emra ye chia ahwefo ne etiefo e de ba kanje ne aso ye ne ye ka se ye de hrobo ni nyina ne se bomodin anem nso papa ha bomodin ane die aduane pa e bia muti obi wo ho a otie a fa ha na epie ye de futuo na ye de ma wo kidneys ehu hia liver ehu be hia wa ni nyina agina nso a wonom so ya ba ha be demonstrate ya testing so ahodo ya difidi ahodo aba ha attest ya ma we hu se nso na egumu ahodo se one test pan dia ye wo potokasem dia friend physical chemical parameters physical chemical parameters no ebi wo ho e bia ye hwese nso no chlorine cry wo mu na dose too much na won say chlorine no enya ade ye no egu ye nipedue mu chlorine no for external purposes but yensuo kra e bia ye treat ye de befie bi obo hu na chlorine kakra wo mu because ebi wo ho a preserve pipelines no pipe na insuo no fam on say metallic pipe no chlorine ni mo e be rusting we na chia no so ya another issue altogether enti wo nsuo na wo no mo fie de nyesa nka meka sanka Ghana water no kra na ni pH no kra ye better than most of the bottled waters. So our research, Professor Tano Debra, no, I think 2017, 2016, we call My Joy Online. What type? It said no bottled water in Ghana contains minerals. So we say article na adani wedi. Say bottled water or the 30 years, 3 decades. Testing so who do I watch Germans when we say one a bottled water no omo dada ye. Kra ni sachet water no because minerals be in when having acidic. Enti the ma kanje yewu enti obi wo ho so FDA for na say o mo hwe FDA ne de ono de ordinary regulations aba nso wan kasa wa pomudi de o kidney hu tochima FDA emba ho o liver tochima na FDA ni ho Ghana Standards Authority enti the responsibility lies on you the individual say won so no akadia ye de testing so enemre ubora water treatment shops now also open pH tester there were electronic one obenye bi ebi wo hokra be 150-200 cedis obenye bi ye de na ye use liquid tester no indicator na bi nso wo ho ebi ye 150 ebi ye 200 ni nyina ne se wo di testing so na hwe se pH ne edadin na inso no ye hu se egumu ahodo miensa acidic, neutral and alkaline yen kan se neutral ne nye neutral de ye but
when yakra no also ebianke neutral no
okay when you green because neutral no at least emfa apomuden embro but eno nso emfa how embro but ope obade the way anyankopon ye nsuo during the formation of the universe na purely alkaline yes enti yakomia e bebre normally ne ya meko Church of Pentecost branches ni areas ni bi wo ho a mekoko ye demonstration because apomudi ho nkyerɛkyerɛ etumi na Libya boga obi di ninso aba se tesima me ho dem say okay asori dem na wa ha de yentumi nkantrɔ wa ha na we book akra egu cap no ye test ya na so yellow ebi wo ho red me say hey na nipa say nzo na me no mo na me say ande wa to hufu yes e wo wa wo nsem enti anope ni ye pese ye hwepa detoxification Christmas season you know ye hu say nkrofo ebe we nam amanfo be we enwi enam ne nemu sa
ne anyasem ketwa Christmas so omombe twa bi
that's right
omombe nam so be nam
now could you believe say yeah na sorry into sometimes me your presentations I mean person yeah me bobo near me be so much bibi to say palm wine and inside free palm no and no cry better than carbonated drinks
inside fuo ne
yes body so what here and no you better in pH than carbonated drinks. I'm telling you.
Wow.
Carbonated drinks near highly acidic whilst we be neutral but one way here excess na say liver ne ukide na
smart advice.
Bible no cry said, do not be intoxicated with wine and alcohol, but rather be filled in the spirit. Wow. You know, or na watu hufo nsane emboa, but kanjen eboa eyi saniamani nyina because eduane a yedi acidic. Medase. Or detoxification anope me ba me search bibi kakra yes detoxification grows here then or see detoxification in humans no a natural physiological process our body nankasa eyi toxins any metabolic waste every nipedua no na uhia or say na through the liver, the kidney, and the intestines. So, niama in the debia me can say niama a mass toxins ni pie no body ni acidic into me. Dr. Otto Warbeck said nipedua ya acidic bia na yare to me suya because it's a container for sickness. Then mo nipedua alkaline woman and then a good health. Emma wapomudin papa. And opena mo Ghana AIDS Commission or apim ni kra to me yin say obehunu na ne ba no onya sa HIV AIDS because of alkaline water na akwa na dem abofra ni nsuo na odem sam amniotic fluid alkaline okay 7.5 pH na nipa kra ye wo na ye test wo moja pH wo fa wo smartphone na google say the pH of the human blood 7.5 enti chesa nyame nyansem eno no obo no oye alkaline deda enti na Dr. Otto Warbeck dey discover cancer dey bia ye kan na ye boni din ye pe omo discover bibi make am about Professor Tano Debra for phone check University of Ghana now ye professor for food and nutrition and all the 30 years higher research and all the proof na badwaman so Dr. Otto Warbeck or discover cancer 1923 and we are seeing na man about body say the Nobel Prize for discovering cancer. And I pay or the antidote nearby. Or say you are really anywhere to meet na alkaline epidemic. Yadi to screen so. We no those times the doctors say to me, "Am I in food was also no pa? Try vegetables and fruits and say lemon, cucumber. So we be crowd to me try okro na odi nso na okro na nkasa wudi kra na star bi na wasa twetwe gu nso mu na ye den ne num kra be ye den ne enti a doctor ne say ye ne sa ne say antioxidant na ewo mu no sa antioxidant na ko siesie nkwamo ano tissues ne red blood cells no ye frɛ cells na ye from soldiers no phagocytic leukocytes and erythrocytes red blood cells and white blood cells sa nkwamo ani nyina sa antioxidant no nya no wakanji water mu na kanjin water onum just 500 ml bottle back wa it is say we di apples back 300 Yaw Boamah there is no way it is say we di a basket of cucumber do say ya na de be stew ama ofie na day but in so ne de o fire na wa no na ade a ye nije wo ho no say enye edura obeka say e was side effects medications but doctor opewa asempa no ukọ ne nchen advice obema opan ne say o diet hwe weduane because diet medicine enough ebi kra to me tufu say koikrase adenti ho no obenya from a papa on grass no yes ukọ Asian
na wudi no so ye so fresh from the farm straight
no chemical yes so na ya chere backyard farming
backyard
farming bi uti ya green tomatoes
makonto nyado na kontomre kakra wa fichire ho ofa fichire no akotete na de besi ja
me bia ya me ye massage therapy sa na me nyina eboama moja ne di afro sa na ebo to medicines it is just massage therapy water therapy me kwa obonso o medua green stars all around me wo video bi Nigerian bi na o use kanjin water and I detoxify no o say yen hwe video ni sound no
okay
ulcer was killing me. All the medication, nothing worked. But since I started drinking this water, Ike Christine, don't know you. I'm an Igbo woman. Igbo. You know when they introduced this water to me, I wasn't very sure if I would buy it. Because I said it's too expensive. So I told Amos, oh, don't worry, I'll take you to Anthony. And when I came to you, the way you attended to me was very good. You give me that courage to go on and buy it. Then I started drinking this water. I saw a change in my life. Before I cannot mop the floor. I was sweeping outside when he came. I can't do it before. And then I was cleaning my cupboards, my room, arranging everything. I said, God, is it me that is doing this? And then when your mom gave me the water to wash my eye, when I put my eye in, I look, no black dot. Even as I'm looking now, no black dot. So it's going to heal me entirely. My diabetes will go. And what I noticed in this water, even if you finish this 5 gallon, your tummy is not going to better. If you drink one of this, your tummy will be big. You can't drink more. But this one, you keep drinking, and you go and wee, and you keep drinking, and your tummy will not protrude. Very nice. I walked from this house to Tesco. First time since I started drinking this water. And 2 days ago, I walked to Tesco and walked back. No pain. No pain. Blood clots.
Oh, blood clot, right.
I've not been feeling the pain at all. I have ulcer. In short, Anthony, I can't know what to say. This ulcer was killing me. All the medication, nothing worked. But since I started drinking this water, Kangon water, ulcer is gone. Now I put pepper in my food and I eat. Very, very, very happy. I hope my happiness will make me.
Just previously, na me kokro ntibi
Yeah,
be to
yeah,
the animal.
yeah, man, diet man or that's what me sort bibia. Na we no wo bisa wana enom kanje wo bie phone lines na no pe wana be di one dance e easy. Eduane aye se nia na ye me wo se na ade bi da nani so. Na nipa na odi nso na ebroni na wo hwa say international hanging water international. Hanging na wo ba bia. Nipa ni say onfa nani. In Ghana, I have those testimonies on my Facebook. I say you can say enyedro ensu, but unipeduane lots of acid. Acidic. It means sickness biya wumubi.
Okay.
Enti unya alkaline water. They are experiencing in a friend detoxification.
Okay.
Or say or shall see an reaction. It changed her life. When jai or twice or no crowd since no boy heading or a Nigerian into only or say kangen water. But also na no also no can be say H pylori no mo sanya man mostly no acidity. Into unya alkaline and one is a neutralizing. Into detox and pay nya kangen energy drinking water. Make sure your numbers 0241
0241
44 91 0241 44 91 Sana be bobo dan ha dia the 30 seconds be back on na
me pacho kakra me be ka on say edu samre ya afashe ye ba be di Christmas.
Yes.
On say edu samre ya ni gie ne sa ne ma na ye de ano no ndi adokodoko nsa na ye de kan ya no. Ni sa ye fe ne se adokodoko nsa ne anwane nam na ebewe no. Niema na se o hawa e de bre ni pedua no de se bia ya adwen hada nko sa afa no. Na ye besan so obesan acha adofo so besan acha niema. Wuntimi nka se bia me che sebe me de onyono ko che ma adofo se bia ensa ne yare wo de adokodoko nsa na sa de a ede na be che no. Na o che na ade ede no na wasa ma na ne besan neutralize sa because all no na o de fat taste no na e de o ha bi bre na onim se de sa o ha na bre no. So ade be man be neutralize sa ade no man kan get energy drinking water because no neutralize acidity a e woni padua no ti say be hamper ye make sure say
kan get water bem okay
na ye de acha ni ti o cha ni pa na ade na o de pa na numa ma na numa to so no na wo say man ayaresa because kan get energy drinking water a true definition of water is life.
Wow.
Water is life na ye kan nye say bia bibi na wo nso no ma nso no da enso e wo nso aka yes make say bibi wo mu kire say one no ma take effect so a boy or how happy ni pedua not just bibi wom by e no nche say
Yensu.
Yensu a duro wo ma e ba besa yare bia.
All right. Nti anope ni akasa for detoxification ho.
Matilda.
The asem e be wi. But more than alkaline water. Other waters na ma acidic water. Other waters e ma neutral. But Kangen e ma alkaline water with pH 8.5.
Okay.
Nebi. Bubobi ebeboa 050 737 94 Christmas Yuletide, you know, you run a promo. Distributors are from 10,000 Ghana cedis. Ombenya na 25 Ghana cedis. Empo Saoji from 5,000 Ghana cedis. I about 25 Ghana cedis.
Okay.
Yeah, free delivery nationwide.
Okay.
Free delivery. Cost of delivery in another end. So the brewer Oto ons wait to me e DJ nyakakra dia boto. Merry Christmas from Kangen Energy Drink.
Same to you. Era senti Kangen Energy drinking water na yedu omakwa akodi nkomo pensioni binom. Do kompacho transema me. Anope ya say amonfo busa say akukọ no yatumu ana. Messages ni ade say bro nyan kokọ no yatumu ana say yete so. I remember was it there 2 weeks ago and say a week ago na me post to Dr. Boris Bedu comment bi a woka say obesre man omoton kosua no say eni kwan so omoto kosua buom because kosua no omo farmers na omo ede ema omo no omuntumu na manfo bi so ba bonti say debi omo na nya adwene basa na gese omo so no omo fa so na esote doc ma chen na fie boko ya de radiasi de otia na otia o still maintain no hu wow doc pacho mia o mic ne suma me na enso green right. good de otia na otia
still maintain
secret in here still maintain
anapabia kosua 2 simple
onu ana se ochi
to the world ba no bufu a no achi
oba ne bufu a no achi
na koma to ni no
anoa two de bia
every morning
before so be step out
10 bia me di bi opem be 2 o'clock
be 2 o'clock and sana what did
me di 1 meal
wow
come on you see any go sakura so de twa
wow
and one am body dame what dame sakura na mu. Now you see Greek.
No, you say Greek. I no. Doc, bro, you benya kokware.
Medical chief for na.
Observe for any Dr. Boris Bedu and ABD Nkomoi, Poultry Farmers Association of Ghana president. And you know Ade Nkomoi. Doc, you benya kokware bro.
I'm correct you kakra wan hwe obi abomdua. Vice president. Wow. Obi kind Sompa madama and the woman's name Nantiachi on pipe or Tuaba no Minamina vice president.
Can you now be Ashanti regional president? Chairman. And you left away free Ashanti region. Edo Kogane na Abeyo vice president.
And you 2 for pipe.
Wow.
Any more pipe. Ashanti mine. And this said, almost a certain power in my trafa. And the Ghana food, said there was a Jima tomb. That would never pass Sebio for almost 3 decades. Before we buy a year, a young cook Juma and Tino, a mamma 4 as also a share so the Twabari mammy. Menya, you see, Mina Mesh Makunyanus, vice president
of Poultry Farmers Association of Ghana.
Is it a can be a woman?
Akoko ya available Christmas. If we next week you call.
Minia. Say because akoko ni wa na meboa. Akoko. Sompa FM. Na Christmas. Ghana fo nyina am se mo hwebe e ba mo chew. Me sa pa chobi. Momo ye ninko ye die ho.
Ye me ninko ye die
ho.
Sese nchemu ne se.
Obia esu, obia kasa, obia peniye. Obia penkankro. Obia pɔman yie die. Enu nti na no bi. ye say any sanity dia yenko to aba Emma Omampenyi John Dramani Mahama or say resetting Ebuana.
Yes.
A resetting is a back for a resetting.
David.
A yina near resetting. Enti uwa fem diendi. Me ma fem dien en koko. Me be hwe amana yiye. Wo so wa fem dien ne sebio ebi adwuma bi a wo ye. Na akoba sei no. Na ye nkoko yi. Na me tufu se ye ma eni nkoye de ho no. Wo busa me sa akoko wo ho no. Sa akoko ne ma ye. Ti na me kire se Ghana form ye eni nkoye de ho. Ye de ni akoko aye ne kroma.
Ye nkoko fosu ne mo ayi no.
Na wo da so ga nkoko fosu.
Ya manfo sana.
Any price of Kankuku force. I was the first gentleman of the land. Or can't seem be any sieka. Or say, Akoko wow.
Yeah, Akoko wow. Akoko wow.
Joman Penny. So now, no, man Penny, the scampidi, the Unze Beba.
Yes.
Is yours Akoko wow.
Akoko wow.
To wow the eka. And Akoko wow. Now, all can say no. Na bibia what can she Boris B chicken BBC.
Yeah.
I am here one of the producers of chicken our country. No
correct.
The BMC Suka. And they were inviting me in the capacity as Boris B.
Yeah.
As a Boris B do I be CEO Boris B.
Yeah.
But me tea hey they mean to me coming kwa WhatsApp.
No correct.
As a me ka Union Muna WhatsApp. Darko Farms.
Yeah.
Asamoah Yamwa Akati Farms Fosuka Farms Joe Reese Amas Rockland Wako Tasty Miniaba edit and when we be farmers who could dam Sabieka say potemo and as a mantemo obient mean to become my Boris B also a chicken name beer local chicken will be ano de mesre Ghana fo enti abedem sa to men sayem no afi se president mpo atimi aka local check ahwe wa hwe protocols wa hwe ne sebio ebesie
obi anwa akra se president ba wo honom na chicken ya ma grilly na ho wo yi bi no we
na unse enwanwa se obi ti se me na obi anim se ba konkoden di yewura na do dan kwaku fo do tena konwa so na president Muhammad na sa tuma duanim eyidi unse enwanwa
obi anwanwa
na onim ene kire se wiase fatimu fita nante
me kan se video no wie no ka kire rekopoku se boxes no na ma package enam ni bi no ka che omunyi hunam se wow
onum se wodi adwempa enantia na obi hu usu no ban a nipa nyina timi no tun sadedi
okay
woti ase na mefa konya wesu na me dia dayura his excellency President John Dramani Mahama timo pani adwempa wodi hia me na wanhu me se ebia na me wo ni wanhu me se oman bapa Ghana ni a wo ye adwuma pa before buchi by almost 3 decades
30 years ni
poetry adwuma na me ye na me try
30 years ni adwuma wa ya no
adwuma me ya no enti se enne wo hu bi papa na se me so me wo susu ye pa bia me di betufo ama industry na gina ye ma obehwe me so ni adwuma pa amade e di aboa Ghana poultry farmers ni nyina kameda na sipi
there's a message here lady say me musa say omo ye well ni say omo bewe ya yakoko no a but omo problem ye say akoko ne prices no busa say Christmas yi enke bia the National Association ebi a mode price range beba ebi a kese no range between ebi a 100 to ebi a 200 kra ebi a nketwa no ye ebi a sei a na nkeja okwa nipa no bono bo na yem sina no akadebi Dr. Boris B metie no Sompa say it should be between this range.
Media.
Doc.
I said Ghana for you. Omonga sa ati no so mai. Omonga sa my price.
Omo ade omo ba no de price aba.
Omo na my price.
Okay.
Say you mean and am say bi okosua na ba omo na my price. Eje okosiafo mai asem bia be kebia fa se bi say yen tokosua sei no kwa. Omo ba no my price.
Omo ade omo bo nam.
If it's someone nim se kosua na si wo chai be say.
No correct.
And so nya de. Na no bi won so hwa nti me bie be phone so a kire na no so hwa nkosua ne ba nyina no menua bro so no sabi emnam se mana Anthony yie ama akuafo no nti no akuafo no ayeden bibebe egu ye ebi collapse sabi covid be kan yachi Ukraine war be kan yachi enu akire so na sabi nkosua prices yi na me kan say so mo so Anthony yie mai enso be kan yachi minia Yaw Boamah kosa no sabi se nsuofo metahia mo hapa o sabi o omo ton mo nsue so hwemu a omo de price na eba.
It's true.
Insune penyi kwa omo price
na
sabi ekusiafo.
It's true.
Na yakwaye se on say omo fayefo to the extent say asa yenim ne ye so portrait adwuma bi a edin yi na wawo ba crowd tete no a wote kasa no hwemu asem na aboa wonte kasa no dabuom
na wonye no
open no we mesre bi na masasre bi kusua fomba ene mo amoto kusua nyina ene mu ntie mi yie edikan kusua prices poultry farmers no se mo hwie na kusua price no se mo antimi antie ni ye na se tofam na se farms ni gu a groma say protein kese bi ani hanapa wo protein papa wa ye kusua.
It's true.
So hwe abuchi a I'm sorry e bi me fridge me fresh milk manom protein na je ama me put energy na me de me ko but the nam say ye ni bibisa nti no tin ye tufu se mo bi kusua
nyina ye kusua
si ye hwe mo panka farm gate no minia aka kusua price unsorted and guess in the bo 60 cedis
unsorted no sene boy 60 Ghana cedis
ye free bo no mu sa no go create them mo ye share say kese ni kitwa ni medium ni
okay
and guess 60 cedis
okay
utemi
mitipa
nanka small no aye 56
small na aye 56
yes nanka medium aye 58
medium aye 58
nanka large aye 62
na large aye 62
what yes and farm gate price pa so he mathematics no a van say wo ho no a eno de bani na to van say ayiso a
we be can say atufo bo no
yes ka farm gate no
okay
nanka emma no so a be photo so na ko no
ami atobi no
1 million tini omo no on say what the faka
yes
ibe bubo
yes
si antokwa so ibe say
no correct
and afis no nyina kuya so osakwaji bank loan
no correct
interest ni ade enti yankamfo nanka omo so price no anka wo de yenhwe ne say
okay
senka no unsorted no on ya hwe margins ne se be enkosi be 10 nanka no so je 70
okay internet say unsorted no be fa 60 no nanka on not on 70 cedis
bobo e bi say e bi ye say e bi ye say interest
okay
I think a good margin
yeah
nanka small no so enko 66
na just say 56 na ono na so no 66
nanka medium so enko 68
okay
nanka large no enko 72
okay
now tie bi haye se ko basa no a afi mo ko mo chikusia wa bonti eni mo no akusia bonti e bi obi biara any kwan and I speak on authority so ton kusia more than 3 cedis
omo chikusia
wa ka wa chewu wa onu akosua wo wa wo chikosua wo uni kwan so to more than 3 cedis
mbako more than 3 Ghana cedis
ubetuma ton kosua bia mienu for 5 baako for 3 cedis that's fine
mienu ubetuma ton 5 cedis
I mean
ana baako 3 Ghana cedis onu ano okay
utie mi omu a omu chie no de nam se obeto anwa jenne obeto bidie se enti onso so no ya cap ne margin no at least onso so margin ebia kakra 3 cedis if is a kosua no ehemu maako 30 e wo crate ne so enu nti se maako 30 no Boamah se wodi 3 cedis at times 30 I say 90
yeah
na me tokosua 70 cedis me ni atie ni ba na me tono me chie 3 cedis nya 90 a nya 20 cedis margin
no correct
me to large crowd wo ba lo tokosua no ho a anka 72 no kwa anka 18 cedis margin
18 cedis yeah
na fa venza 11 ne hwan osusu nya venza 8 cedis now the 10 cedis for your margin e de benti and now tin crime a de benti na uti baby sen crime for the moose kenti wo ton watch red ton kusia 5 cedis enye ne kwan no and unti le basa no a boga ebia wo a sebia na so obi biara oye abanjuma ana so obi biara oye adwuma sebi onye sika pii no
ya grace pacho aha mon katina mon postuma wati ne hia pa boys no bro nya ye bedi kosia ya tie na mon postu to ye
se ebasa no otoba ko se ye de no nto bi ba kosia ya de bia sika do pa bia ma yi be 5 matomi no madi ma yi be 5 ma yi be 250 matoba ko madi ma yi be 3 cedis madi so bia di kosia kan kosia mbu
emanem ebia nwene se be
say Emma farmers no won chiri wo mu farmers no se omusika sem ankoya tieniye enkra no mo farm no ura farm untimi mpie biem koto aduane untimi mpie biem biosecurity nti
okay
because say ura mu a finish enti kuani bia a wotie mi bia no ana obi biara owo Ghana ha ye good poultry farmer o man enkra mpie onu aduane ma wo mu
e farm ho
yes all poultry farmers here aduane mo be free ni what else okay
because obekọ abonti wa akwa yare bi dia ba inside wa mana ba be hadwen
wani nhunu enti wure mu no ano ese se wo huru ho na wako inside akwa ye adwuma biosecurity food bath no adro wom ka fam utietiem na tse nwo enkomwa no
okay
ya nhwe we nyina ye adwen nyina no resetting Ghana na bi no because ye boho ban na sebio bird flu bi yare bi ama mwara mewu ansan kobo abaika resetting Ghana na bi no and the poultry farmers we are do ye part so the be ya ye betimi aboa ama dwumadi no ide akoyie na koboa it is obeti wo na se sebi mpreduasa oto kusua aboodin a ye dwuma no wo sei no na se de mekan na nsuofo kra no e wo price na sebi mesere kama no susu na so man kan ye nsuofo price because nsuofo kra dia asante kasa na ye kan o dia ze anon na ye o dia kasa na ye o dia enti no correct o smart enti no minua nsuofo price obia wo price enti mesere na bon hwehwe price ni na so se akowie se sa prices ya make nyina for no munya wo
omunya
David
arendia
omunya se asem na ye dendin dia maye na veze emma na faye furudo ena dia mi pie na haje abumi ena mi pie na chairman fo kusiafo ma but kusiafo ma se mutie mi yi na mo ne me ya adwene a on se me kam mo de mamo yesu ye kan ye and one say e ton so kan ye se ye nyina the value chain no baby a hye yi a bra edwo be koso Ghana ma ye nyina ye de eni age
nana enketia say o say greetings ya or say this man can let you sell your house for eggs. What a sweet mouth. Nana no pay muache. Ona no pay muache.
Nana wadame bro. Eja obi kan say no say e sum
no correct
ya osumfo Morris B se man chirimu anka ne yie ama obi ante ne ho ase a na say ya de a hadwe so na no so hwe ya poultry farmers se bi unze enkusua no enye yenko an yedie na no ya fence opemso ayi ase no enkusua de ko ye che ya ba konfo kra che bi bon because say we Christo ni o we Muslim o we Buddhist o akonfo bom paya bom paya for asase no
correct
odi emiye edi ye cheyama me na ya sumankwa hene because me dey share Morris B me da wase onu mbukrofo nyina na ye ken se ye di kudue ewra President Mahama na ye ko meeting ye hwen hyehyɛ ye pa because you committee any Ministry of Agri for a year Headmasters Association, any Poultry Farmers Association, any GS4, any school feeding coordinators. They you could share. You told your ma you're a Haruna Idrusu. Now the President Bami Hoya or can't say. Young Shanian fan Kukono, a school feeding, my intimi, and my poultry farmers, almost so intimate Juba direct contract. Here, how I do so, Wamalan so with Dominica, or fraying in Asia, ye share, you feed January Konoku to 2 years tour, or set a committee, Metisubi. Sa committee no. Committee, headmasters was so, poultry farmers was so, GS for so, lawyers was so, school coordinators was so, and a technical or non-technical advisors was so. Yes, Sajumadi, a bit makuye. Now, Kunina, ne ebeboa poultry farmers. Na ebeboa matrons. Matrons no, sebi, on person we year duane pa, at the ma or more enkura, at the ma school for. Well, Boamah, the old pie here, pan say. Your local chicken, no, baby a protein, what pie you good no, I hook on the breast.
Ne bono haseno. Oh, a tofu phone so I na many ajepa.
But I know soon a Ghana for and tanto.
Sir, I am a less than and greater than Nensano, near Baba Jenny Sereno.
No, what you back no?
Near Jenny Chino Akusuebi, Yanase Kusuebi se.
Ni ebe wie sibetu ene play mu hin fa na utran ya broni wi akosere or in the back or in a fillet no the breast no na dem die ntia e hot na protein power
okay
ukwa buchira you squeeze aboa na breast no emu oil no sa capsules penicillin no e ho tototo no oil no ene ye dey yes capsules me pebre me dimbo for education nim utie me on the right from
and just about a namna ye de ye ne say ye ne keke ne
sa Ghana for nim the juicy part the oil in the breast it in na die chi no me dim ho example Boris B chicken from next year nanse me am yi fillet no nko a na manfo ato ye nye ne sa biem ye betwa akokɔ no kase ne fillet nyina bom odi kofi a ope fillet na wo ye no nko a de obeso we ne kase no zuzu no because nyina kase no so ye calcium rich calcium wo wi and then the breast nyina bom a and so ma rich calcium I mean deficiency of vitamin D uni pe duane mu no so what deficiency wo wi a ma good calcium the reason is nyoma na ye feed no so say me ye feed your hatchery, your feed mill,
yes,
the raw materials,
yes,
the processing,
yes,
say on cocoa,
yes,
and I'm outgrowers a farmers, the person born cocoa, no more ye a chumano, or we are about 12 from
then cocoa man and ma
yes,
no man, we are what's up 12 from
I'll be general standard,
okay,
because me standard, no, I hope on BBC, no, Boris B chicken, and your organic. A size sayari.
Okay.
Nan ye feed no. Ye free be calcium carbonate. In other words, different limestone. Then ye feed no. Then ma calcium ne wom no. And ma pomdi.
Ade that's what I call.
What you say? What you mean?
Yeah.
Enti sanyo mani nyina no. E ye nneoma. Right from feed no. E ye medicinal. Anya ho keke na wo wi. wo wi asaw yare
asaw ho yare
so bi si wo ye nnu asa yare a poultry farmers no so let me kan no enye menko farmers wo Ghana hanya local farmers ni nyina no ye adwuma e de ahoko na sayare but one hwe ya wo na ni ntia da bia malugu so mani abre ama bodde wuro saa fi se me frabu chi bae ebi saa bre nyame ma kwenya me vice president ya me time president George Dasa achi no and the whole entire chairmans omo Ghana nyina no yeso mu dendendeng ama dwuma na koyi no ye pese Ghana fo etimi nyini che
you did healthy your diet you be bia wow
na all say but you force the full value chain say undi mu ya na uye poultry bia ba ye no adwuma na ye no ya kwadri mu sisi but you force o sha de nso je se wa ben
it's true
what do you say sa pempenso e be dready
for 30 solid years and what dedicate wa brabo ubi bia to poultry
ade me den me da si biem ne say 2014 under era John Dramani Mahama the broiler revitalization on some finances our project
okay
at the chassis we say HSB kakrakra me simple you for be solve it am na FFF nemum aboa me ne say amama hunu me chassis free hon me amama hunu niwa bi me sua de at least anye bia 11 years after papa yi wasan be ya obewi akoko yi a wose wote enkoko nketenkete be poultry farmers me too obia for se mum ye nyina ye nsom ne ye hwe hawa yebisi ama sajumadi no akonkan
eno na manfo buza se omo involve mo ebi raise concern say sa nkoko nketenkete no ebetima change the economy of Ghana ebetima change niema bebre na nyembia no amanfo buza say Poultry Farmers Association of Ghana aban involve mo na aban provide nkoko no de amamo anase ye de ma party functionaries ne supporters ne ade na omumu makwa na
ensem bi wo ho atwaso
amanfo bi say training
ensem bi wo ho
training
ensem bi wo ho
nimdia wanyei over the years
o Boamah sasma bu say fa ho be basema
ye benya kokko papare ye benya kokko papare
Christmas ye drui see for Christmas one we crackers
enukure
na so bi ne kokko getekete aba na wo chema party favorite or whatever wona oti wo no ni ono obesua bi no anywhere wa kwadri mu no o for Christmas one we crackers
yeah Matias say
o sasa asemo e pre wasema wo fa ho be wona wo ye poultry farm won cook be 10,000 100,000 50,000
our farm no
our farm for years
o experience
but juma no wo si da bia wo su sa ban mu wa na se ne nyame e wadom na se juma de se aba fa bonya ho we crackers basa
ebia oni anum bebre
hold on you should be smart in thinking ma wadwum nya sharp TNA, we a leader. You have to be smart. You don't think. You see, we always cast our minds in the past, stand in the present, and look into the future. And my wife didn't say, "Sebi, what the my party favorite?" And no, you was sembe. TNA. Me, I'm not biased when I'm talking about this. Look, I'm a politician, businessman. And you know, me shake my papa da honwa near faso. Notwithstanding all of what I'm saying, Papa ne say, all also feed Ghana. So here, was say at the mention of a kitten. I have seen my friend Boris B. On the crowd follow or bomb and some. Or twice or see the 3 stages of household 55,000 households on Binyang Koko.
Yes,
50. But the second stage of it, after 50 anchor farmers, Poultry Farmers Association, the number Yejuma. 50 na obia benya nkukɔ 80,000
wow
no ne outgrowers bra adwumadi na hyɛ aseɛ fi baabi woyɛ farmer kama koma to yam
the position
I'm your vice president in Ashanti region the president or north Mr. George Dasa unim ene me waha wontie me kawa koma to yam na yanhwɛ sɛ saa 50 anchor farmer selection the ne ye outgrowers next year as a say baso because why households for the way they look no it's to our advantage na me unim me assemble me hwɛ ne bɔne o me hwɛ the other side of the coin ha me see me aye ne papa udie na se asem ne nyampo a wɔde ma households no Ghana fo nyina adwea twea kɔ foreign products so ama se obi e ton se bio ono aka broni wawu no dia ma o no so mo ye local chicken ni bia o se o mbekum no mawe no mo wi a o ma san ton bi e de bia sare invest o mo wi nkokɔ no na o mo develop the taste for local chicken again.
It's true
no mo who say local chicken no. It's important you know that's
what
now so mo wi baby never fall off. It's normal. Yes, you cry. Happen you go body skakra ma manfo no. Was e bi mu tonchen, e bi mu ye dey et me ye bibia kama. Na say omo fall off a young professionals na woman no. Me name poultry farmers na wo Ghana nyina. Minia afi e dey see na djuma bia ye o. Ye dey say bi say body esi body ahye buom si yenye. Ewa ya me kwa na ya dom na etimi hye wa hye de gaza agebuom a hye wo batu ebuom ma me hu fi pa be hye ho but musi yen hyebu ye be hye ho ni aye enti so wo wi a yen na afi no omo me fall off you feed you omo on san co foreign products won be because taste no difference was
abesesa am we develop taste for local chicken no enti o convince na nye de ne bi onya kra se o convince ne
bi enti a ene se bi enuan more infrastructures were feminine omo they have to continue because they have nowhere to go and that is where minia ye ama Ghana for adwea san ba bi
okay
now so can see me or see we import close to $400 million into this country. No, sa katu as when you come, you know, because we all must be ashamed of
ourselves.
I see you woo. Because it's Kroma. Among 4 baby. If you could pay immigration, if you could pay police, if you could pay soldier. I can stand here and tell you, poultry farmers, every 10,000, more 10,000 biano, let me employ nipa 120, you know, across the value chain.
Nkoko 10,000 bia se minya 10,000 nkoko
why we here 10,000 who employ nipa 120 across the value chain who the entia ne wo di ebru the wo twika the oil fertilizer the oil bano the obeton the oil soya the obe present buonu modjuma yes obechichi no the okokunu the okoton across the value chain estimatedly 120. So just imagine young poultry farmers. President Mahama, Obeyi, Madame Ebru, Medie, Medimin Quenina, Baforiama, Poultry Juma, Adintia, me papa, Mr. C.F. Beidu, Olim Mami, a night cha, Oba Penny, Nanabanda, a chabanda, or ye, Benkasi Bar Pedis Jedumasi, Sasi Kumu Pasihima. The Baba company Osimin Frabo Jimra, na me sum ni Juma ya shama mini. I mean, for me, ko na yenhwe se poultry be ye. Mr. President, Wadama. Say the way you see about poultry so ye mu boy kuraye. Ma yenhye ye pa na policies no nya dwuma ye na afi sika femu no. Some $400 million no we chamber for cry na fe bi share ase $100 million for shim ashade We will never disappoint you. Near Oba me who will be who you know. Ah, Sebu, would the Nijie, Seb, way projects we. Intimate my who could say, Waha, and my year, and the Boris Beach again, and a month for Gusso Moto. Now, a Yemen Kwana me you. Many poultry farms outgrowers, Mr. Senior Yebi. Mampon District Chairman, Yura, Damwa, Kofi Damwa, or Yebi. Former national chairman, Mr. K. Asante, Iran Ketia, or Shanti Regional Secretary, or Yebi, Shanti Regional Chairman, Mr. Donko, and Penny 4P ne Yebi. Yeminkwa, so the kind me make sure my standards, my technical team, how much advice on Faunko, Nafi and Church, wow, person so. Sinyami, I don't know, man, Penny so yemu. And as our school feeding coconut co, and you move more, we be in the pea.
No, correct.
Next, say what baby piano. Me, natural
for free, you bet you more.
Wabba, Timmy. A Bible class also the my qua.
Yes.
And I'm what?
No, correct.
So my sister, okay, Boris, my contract too. Bra, never change him and crow for me. Okay. What him the me, sir? He said, what my Z didn't I?
No, correct.
No, but go.
No, correct.
Now, where's the beginning? There be a photographic, no be womb, no obituary. Now, pen to one quay was super graphic movie.
No, correct.
That he was before. It didn't be a wobiano, mommy and child in a youth.
Okay.
Ain't me far a drain away Chimuno. Now, I'm wanting to maintain one. It's in an so tear Angela. Let me come more some.
Yes.
The money you know, don't watch him more some. Mr. Show me feeling more villa.
Say, did I not pay you more as a mungo?
What do you mean? If it's a detail, make a way and say, Mommy, first to see your pebbing shade team.
No, correct.
Now I'll make catch a see you for more gun. I see now, Mr. Madame Brew. Nim deep, and I said, Nim the 4 more gun. I see. Nim dear Mobiano. Mommy and fan share. Human, okay. Church and crano, okay, and cranny money, okay. Nadachi, anywhere, or what was. Nay, say, the piano be yape, on the Jibaya,
caught Najumanaira.
It was we, maybe foot to get to have a day about.
Mate doc, but a month for means before Sobercono means sending one my Cusiano.
And Gancono,
and Gancono, Nasanka, and Gocono, my
friends, as a say, crano. I mean, from a home chassis. Who come a while? What we could 65 cities crowd to go.
65 cities.
Air cost 65 cities above.
Above,
yes.
Now, correct.
And man be bar, your hobby tour hoko. Now, or tobacco be also torn 110 as 101.
Okay.
Was it? Now, we would do say.
What do say?
Now, only my dear woman. Also, could you go to easy. No, yeah, easy. Your whole years are. It are 2 scales. Your way. It's a 1.5. Who even say 1.5 bony? 1.6, 1.7, 1. It will be that we could Toby. The experiment be. Minia, you come up one way, you know. I'm here price at Tonum. And the price I did dressing or not.
I did dressing or not.
Now I want to be a kitwa.
Okay.
Sounds the area in soon, you're in Takra, any BB and your Trabona. And to wait now, Corvino, and your demand.
Okay.
And no profoundly BT. But I said, you by any the full chicken name bound. Ninkuchano. Ghana for any antiasia. Also, full chicken is table.
Okay, into full chicken is
table.
Say no.
It would tear no. I will come one and now we want to him.
Yentakra ne yam, you know.
It weight no weight no say 1.1, 1.2 kilos, 1.3 kilos, 1.4 kilos. Some weight in the water. Magician in such a way say even half chicken crown. Usika and sooner pick a crab is 2. Half a crown, 47 cities.
Half yes, 47 cities.
Oh, now we some Coboris be ho. Who did he? Santana about. And that's a bantama. Oh, and I said, Bia, as someone say. And I said, Bia, shop right, shop Bia.
Okay.
And I said, Bia, Vanze, Usu, Presbia, Kra, old filling station, total, opposite.
Yeah.
And I said, Bia, baby, I could be all free. Your number one. So they are going to do.
Okay.
On the 05,
yeah,
444 53. No.
Yeah.
05
444 53 no.
Ofria on be direct you. Now who can in general and cocoa in general, poultry farmers in general. Ni woman say. On say Nyago Panorama. Honorable Eric Opoku. Mami fa kwenye usimona baso.
Yeah.
Why idea? A brobo. What's abafem?
Pa.
So ya bo. Abafem. Poultry farmers here adwene. Say. This year no kokono. You best sell mo kama at affordable price.
Obi enya biare ofi.
Be BBA 65, because be 70, be 75. Also depend on ranges and be a kama had to be. Okay. What you say? But be sure say a cost pa farm gate, a cost be 80. A cost pa. It's only be sanwa. You form mano, masa be mo me mwam be mo de kujuma yesremo. Montesumo be a ribi. Na yentimin ton kukono afi. Poultry farmers no. Can be a day and Nimlan guessing keep pigeon. Nanso, ye hina ye worry setting nun tea.
Mono Modia two baby at that. Inti man so or Modi Kojomuno.
Now this year bank phone. In fact, companies, no. What would him say won't talk come our staff. Maybe a channel member of Corriba.
Oh, yeah, dog. I feel so many doubts.
Member be more mean your bonus. Oh, mean your bonus.
And you go to
mean your bonus.
And you cry a kitchen.
There be a sentiment by
what's Emba say Yaw Boamah. Suppose or the Yaw Boamah.
Suppose for Omeri again.
Dog, hey, Wilnum.
Is there any black star for the same? Some almost sign agreement. Nanko fat chickens and nationals. Here we come, G. But Tom and Coba nationals, but I don't know she goes. I know
nations,
why? I'm not
on the top and cook or
Boris Bichikin. And
a woman she goes,
no. But I didn't know yet who she would be. Better she would be.
I didn't know you was now.
Let me know, Cassie. You will be a fisher. I feel same as some Ghana for one team and a moment in Timina Day and you Ghana cocoa. Not Ghana for poultry farmers. Ya bread. Amen.
Amen. Dr. Boris Beidu and you didn't know Eddie and Komono. Therefore, on a year, CEO of Boris B Farms and Veterinary Services BBAB on the CEO BBC chicken na ya ne ebo hu de wuro afidie so na ya packaging ne kama no ono ene ye ne dia Ghana nyina poultry farmers school no on a vice president da na busa for ye de si na we de quick mamenye birthday si na me sorry happy birthday to Mrs. Teresa Nimo Ahe happy birthday and a happiest birthday to Eva One CEO of Eva Beauty Parlor, Tafo 4 miles from Abuaje. Hey, Abuaje. Hey, mami see ya na me namwase. And a blessed birthday to Nana Kwame Afram. Otumfo Chiame Penny Chiame Hene. Nana, happy birthday. Special birthday to Honorable Fuseni Donko. Honorable Fuseni Donko, Deputy Director General in charge of operations, Ghana National Service Authority from Sompa Morning Show crew. Honorable, happy birthday, Nyamin. And a glorious birthday to Yaw Mensa, spokesperson Edema, Dr. Oseyaw Educhum. Brian, happy birthday, Wati. Nyame Unshra Sompa crew. Happy birthday. And a special birthday to Nanama, oye hairstylist ewo Tafo Pankrono we every Mr. Enoch Osei Bunsu Osinanama happy birthday and happiest birthday to Honorable Hawa Ponkowa Buafo we NPP Women's Organizer of Formina constituency. Yay, my dear Papa, be happy birthday, Wati. Yami Winsha Sompa, morning show crew, happy birthday. For your sorry, sports team, sum at was so Eddie Free has say.